Hello, so in this Excel tutorial, we will be going to learn three functions. The first is the SQRT, the second is the LEN, the third is the MOD, and yeah, so these three functions. So now as you can see that I have some data here, I have some names and I have some runs and the number. Now what I want is, I want the square root of this number, which is 20, 33, 13, 44 and 4. So what I can do is, in order to find the square root, I will use the formula which is SQRT. So first I will write equal and then I will write SQRT. That is nothing but the formula for square root. Then I will put the parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis it is saying that you must have to put the value there. Yes, I am putting. So I will put this 20. So I will be going to put the address of the 20. So what is the address of 20? So it is in the E column and 7th row. So E7 is 20. So let me write E7. Now you can see this blue color box. Now I will press enter. You can see that it took out the square root of 20, which is 4.472136. If I will drag it down, it will find out all the square roots of all these numbers. For example, let's say add some more number. I know the square root of 144 is 12, and I also know of 25, which is 5. So if I am writing here 25, you can see that 5 is printed, and for 144 the 12 is printed. So this is how we can take out the square root. Now we have a LEN function. So LEN function will be going to count the number of character in a name. For example, let's say this is one of my friend's name, which is Abhishek. Now Abhishek name is having some letters, right? Now what I will do is, I want to count that how many letters are there. So for that I will be going to use the LEN function. So I will write equal, I will write LEN, then parenthesis, and I will write the address of Abhishek. So where is Abhishek? Abhishek is at its home, but right now we will see the address of the Abhishek, which is D9. So I will be going to write D, and then I will be going to write 9, and I will close the parenthesis and I will do enter. You can see that 8. I will not count this. If you want, you can count it out. So these are the add characters. So this is how we have implemented the SQRT and the LEN function. Now what I want is, basically I will select all this and I will click on clear and clear all. It will be going to delete everything. I just wanted to delete these values also for now. Now I want to show you one amazing function, which is nothing but the mod. So what mod function will do is, it will take out the remainder. For example, if we divide 3 by 20, so what do you think, what remainder we will have? I think 2 will be the remainder. Now let's check it out, how this function will work. So I will write equal, and after equal I will write mod, and in the mod it will be going to ask two things. The one, it will ask the number, and after the number comma it is asking me the divisor. So the number is 20, so I will write E7, and the divisor is 3, so I will write F7, because at 3 is at F7. I will close it, and you can see that the 2 value is printed. Likewise, we can do of all these 33 by 3, 13 by 3, 44 by 3 and 24 by 3. Let's just go in the corner, and this black color cross, just put this cross till down, and here we go. You can see that when 33 dividing by 3, we are getting remainder is 0. Why we are getting the 0? Because we know that 33 comes in the table of 3. Similarly, 24 also comes in the table of 3. And when we are dividing these numbers by 3, which is 13 and 44, we are getting the remainder is 1 and 2. This is how it works. So this is nothing but the mod function. Thank you so much.